around. The flash flood's right there. The flash flood's right there. Get out of here. Go.
As another massive storm hit California, a 5-year-old boy was swept away by flood waters on the state's central coast, and the entire seaside community of Prince Harry, Oprah Winfrey, and other celebrities were ordered to evacuate for the 5th anniversary. Deadly mood flow there. Tens of thousands of people were left without electricity, and some school closed to the day. Streets and highway turned into raging rivers. Trees fell, grids sealed, and motorists rolled into roadblocks due to fallen debris. The death toll from the relentless string of storms rose from 12 to 14 after 2 people were killed by fallen trees, government officials say. One of the many problem areas affected by the storm that swept Southern California is Monte, which is not immune to severe flooding. The entire city of Monte, California was ordered to evacuate as the storm that hit state of Monday. The same day, the community marked the 5-year anniversary, a major landslide that killed 23 people in 2018. Residents of Monte, a small town of the city, about 8,200 people trooped between the Santa Ynez Mountains and Pacific Ocean, built their homes as a heavy rain territory to trigger landslides, mudslides like those that have crippled the Santa Barbara County community for the 5 years back.
Santa Lucia, totally flooded. I can't get to the store. I'm turning around and not drowning.